Shit, what's good, y'all? Just the first video. So I've been trading since beginning of 2023. This is my first video. Just decided to make wanted to make videos just so I can kind of trade my journey or make videos about my trade. So today is July 7th. I took 4 trades today. Two red trades, 1 break even, 1 green. So I'm gonna try to go into this pretty quickly. I don't want this to be too long. So first trade of the day was like about an hour in at about 7:30. This one was the first red trade, so it wasn't a good trade to start it off. But you see, we're in this little buying channel. I went short just because we broke below VWAP right here. And then this one was kind of a reactive play. It was like kind of instinctual. So I took it very quickly without even like really thinking about it. So I went in short because I like how it played it down and then jumped back right up to VWAP. So I wanted to take the retest off of it. So I went in short because the EMA and the VWAP, I have a 21 EMA up, which is this yellow line right here. And so they were right next to each other. So once it hit, that's when I went short. But I was wrong pretty quickly. So about like 5-10 minutes later, I got stopped out. So I actually trade futures. I usually have this up, but I traded on my laptop and I'm on my computer right now, so I can't actually show you the trades on here. But I trade micros and I usually trade 4 contracts. So my first trade, 4 contracts, and I got stopped out at about, it was 3.25 points. So hour into the day, I'm down $65. So not a very good start to the day, but next trade was actually even crazier. Well, actually, I should have waited for this first trade because, as you see right here, little inverse head and shoulders right here. So I could have played that. Should have been more patient on that. That one was just a reaction play. But after I got stopped out on that one, I noticed we had a bigger inverse head and shoulders. So left shoulder right here, head right here, right shoulder right here. So I said, shit, it was like the high of day. So I got in right over here at about 8:30ish, so 2 hours in. It didn't break the neckline yet, but I wanted to get in. It looked good. It looked good enough, so I got in on the EMA. And it was going pretty good. I was up about 2 points. But then it kind of, as you can see, like, yeah, there was a big move, but I got scared at the beginning of the move. So I got in like right at the beginning, but I was up 2 points and it came down a little bit, and this one was reactive too. So I kind of just like, I snapped on it, and I didn't even have I had my stop right under here, right below the low right here. So I was never red yet, but once it came down, I was break even, and I got really scared for no reason, and I just closed out of my trade. Even though I need to learn to just respect my stop. Like if I'm in a trade, whether or not I want to actually stop out of it or not, I just have to I have to respect my stop. Like if I want to get out of it or take profit early, I just have to leave it. I have to let it hit my stop because I'm already in the trade, so I took it for a reason. So here I should have done that. I should have respected my stop. I was never red, but so right here I broke even, so I just got out of the trade, went back up almost immediately. I didn't even wait for the candle to close. I just closed out of it. Stupid trade. Or not even a stupid trade, like it was a good trade. It was just like I got scared, so that's why I got out of it. And then it came back down, hunted people's stop losses, so probably stopped out a few amount of people, like a little amount of people. And then as you can see, it kind of just shit up like for another hour and a half. So I kind of got pissed off because while I was in this trade right here, like at this time right here, I was telling my friend, I had 4 contracts on, so I was telling him I was gonna take profit at 6 points on 3 contracts, which is what I usually do. I have a 3-point stop and then 6 points take profit, so 1 to 2 risk to reward. So I was telling him I was gonna leave a runner. So, but I got stopped out. I stopped myself out, and I would have got that 6 points. I would have had a runner. And if I would have had that runner, I would have protected this trade. Would have sold right up here when it broke the buying channel. So yeah, that was frustrating. I missed that trade, but so that was break even. So I was still down 65. And then come up right here, I was just chilling. I was watching the charts. Right up here was right where the 5 day was. I know like the purple right here, this is the 5 day, but it was actually up here. So we broke below it, and then we came up and retested it. So I liked that, and I waited a little bit. I was like, okay, this is a good confirmation. So I took that trade, but I actually sized down a little bit. I took half. I cut off half. So I did 2 contracts instead of 4. So I bought in short right here, came down, and then it actually like I got wicked out, like, but like not stopped out, but I took my profit because I had my profit target right at 6 points. So it wicked it, and it came right back up, and it started consolidating, but I was already out of the play. So I had my 2 contracts for 6 points, and that was $60. I was only down $5, and consolidated some more. And then this last one, this is my last red trade. I definitely should have taken it. I was already mad. It's Friday. I wanted to make my profits, but I was already down $5. I should have ended on that, but for some reason I wanted to go long. Can't even really remember why. Like I liked how it was kind of consolidating, and so I took it for like no reason. Just went long, and then literally got stopped out next candle. So it was quick, frustrating, and so after that last trade, I was like, I just said fuck it, and I stopped trading the rest of the day. And then I didn't expect this big move down. Like I just expected maybe some more consolidation for the rest of the day because we had about an hour left because this was at 11:34, so an hour and a half left in the market. So I didn't expect this to come all the way back down because I just quit right after this trade because I was already pissed off. It's Friday. So yeah, that's about it. I'm down $35 on the day, but I didn't. Yesterday I was up a good amount. I made 145 yesterday, so today wasn't too bad. I just started. I'm just doing a simulation, so I'm not trading any real money. I'm not trying to get funded yet. I'm not on an evaluation account. I'm strictly just, I use NinjaTrader, so I just use their free simulation. Like they have a 2-week trial, so that's what I use. So yeah, I'm down $35 in the day, but on this account, it doesn't say right here, but
lost.
I started at 100K, now I'm at 100,050 bucks. So up $50 this week, not terrible. At least we're green, so can't complain. But the lessons I can take out of this today is respect my stop, for real. That's the main thing I took out of it. Cause if I would have respected my stop, then I would have had this big move. I would have had this big move up. Would have got my 3 contracts for 6 points, and then that runner all the way up here. So I had to respect my stop. And I'm still learning not to take like shit trades, but I was kind of in the motions. I was really tired, frustrated. So shouldn't have taken that one. And there was another mistrade here at the beginning. As you can see, there's like another inverse head and shoulder. So I could have taken it, but honestly, I was thinking about it, and honestly, I probably wouldn't have because I like to wait for EMA touches. So I was watching it right in the morning, and this one didn't come. The candle didn't touch the EMA, so I wouldn't have taken it really. But this would have been a trade I might have taken. Who knows? So yeah, down $35 in a day, not bad. It's Friday, ready to get into it next week. So yeah, that's about it. Appreciate y'all, and